Well, hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here. We got a quick little mail call to do. It's taken me extra time to get my mail because my mailbox got plastered and the guardrail in front of my house got all tore up. And I don't know, that's the third mailbox in about, I don't know, a year or a year and a half. I'm thinking about putting a steel pole about 100 feet down in the ground and getting a steel mailbox made so the next time somebody hits it I'll know who did it. But anyway, I'm going to pause for a second because I'm no good at doing this one-handed stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and get this open. And this is from Ron Ralph's son, so let me get this cut open and we'll get right back at you. Okay guys, you have to excuse me on this. This is so cute. Oh, Ron, this is again from Ron Ralph's son. It says, Dino, I am sorry to say the announcement caught me flat-footed. You will need a ring bearer. And it says Ron Ralph's son. I sent a flag, or sent the flag for a wedding gift. He's referring to Scully and Mortimer's wedding. So I'm going to show you the ring bearer as we slide this off. This is very cool. This looks like this is hand carved or I don't even know what this is. It feels like a super light plaster or something. I'm not sure what it is, but it's awesome. And you can tell that it's hand carved. And on the bottom it says Ron Ralph's son, and rat and 1020, I think it's 1020, 1020, 19 or 1026. I can't make it out through the camera. But anyway, so this is apparently going to be the ring bearer for Mortimer and Scully's wedding. That is just awesome. Man, that is fantastic, the work that went into that. I can just see, you can see the little tiny carve marks on it. That is just awesome. That is cool. So that's our ring bearer. And then this is the wedding gift that he sent. And it's a little carved wooden pirate flag. That is freaking awesome. I'm telling you what, guys, this community is fantastic. The stuff that everybody does and gets involved in, it's great. That is absolutely awesome, Ron. I really like that. That is cool. And I'm just going to say it. That is cool as hell. And you have to drop me an email or in the comments area below in this. Tell me what this is, because it feels like almost like an eggshell. It's so light. But it's not like foam. I don't know what that is, but it is cool. That is awesome. That is just awesome. I really do appreciate that. I should have got the camera stand out so I could have opened it up and let y'all see me open it. But, you know, sometimes I got to run outside because it's outside or run over to the other place because it's over there. And I just didn't feel like running and getting it. But, Ron, I really appreciate that. That is absolutely awesome. I love this. This is going to go up there on, this is, Scully and Mortimer haven't been over at your house, have they? When they've snuck off on dates? Anyway, guys, we will see you all in the next video. Ron, thanks again. Have a good one, everybody.